30 days from now, you can be a different man. Not slightly better, not a little more motivated. Different. Stronger mind, sharper focus, more control, more respect for yourself. But that version of you will not appear by accident. Right now, your life is being shaped by what you repeat every day. Not your goals, not your plans, your habits. And most of your habits are keeping you weak. You wake up and reach for your phone. You waste your attention before the day even begins. You chase comfort, delay hard things, avoid silence. You tell yourself you will start tomorrow, then tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes another month of the same life. This is how men stay stuck. Not because they are incapable, because they are distracted, because they are comfortable, because they keep choosing what feels good over what builds strength. You do not need more motivation. You need standards. You need habits that force you to become someone better. The first habit is simple. Wake up and do not touch your phone for the first hour. No scrolling, no noise, no borrowed thoughts. Start your day with your own mind. Most people lose control in the first 10 minutes. You will not. The second habit is daily movement. Train every day. Lift, run, walk, push your body. It does not matter how. What matters is this. When your body gets stronger, your mind follows. Weak habits live in weak bodies. The third habit is hard focus. Pick one task every day and finish it without distraction. No switching, no checking, no escaping. Just one hard thing done with full attention. This is how discipline is built. Not in big moments, in small moments where you want to quit and choose not to. The fourth habit is controlled discomfort. Do one thing every day that makes you uncomfortable. Wake up earlier, take the cold shower, have the hard conversation, say no, speak up. Discomfort is where your new identity is built. The fifth habit is clean input. Your mind is being programmed every day by what you watch, what you hear, what you consume. If you feed your mind garbage, your life will reflect it. Read better, listen better, protect your attention like your future depends on it, because it does. The sixth habit is night review. Before you sleep, face yourself. Ask one question. Did I live today like someone worth becoming? No excuses, no lies, just truth. That question will change you. These habits are not hard because they are complicated. They are hard because they require you to stop being who you've been. That is the real battle. Not building habits, killing the version of you that keeps breaking them. The distracted version, the lazy version, the weak version, the version that wants results without effort. Let him go. For the next 30 days, stop waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting for perfect timing. Stop negotiating with the life you know is making you smaller. Do the hard thing. Do it tired. Do it bored. Do it without applause. Because if you can do that for 30 days, you will not just feel different. You will become someone your old self would not even recognize.